I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Applications Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Now that you've seen all the videos of us setting up and printing a 5-color job, I'm going to show you the most efficient ways to tear that job down and move on to your next order. The first thing we're going to do, unlock our squeegee flood bar, unlock our screen holders, go ahead and drop our screen, move your squeegee and flood bar to the front of the press, load it onto our screen cart, and it's ready to go off to reclaim and be cleaned and ready to be used again. So we're going to do the same thing with each screen that was used in the job. You'll see a lot of times people like to take the ink out, clean the squeegee and flood bar on press. That not only takes too much time, it also gives you an environment to get ink on your machine. By doing it this way, the machine stays clean. Even though I'm wearing gloves, I got no ink on my hand to get it anywhere on the press. And actually, while I'm doing this, my press operator or my press helper could be on the other side of the machine starting to register the next job. There you have it, 5-job breakdown, matter of a few minutes, ready to go into reclaim, and most importantly, ready to set up our next job. For more information, tips and tricks on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com and follow us on social media.